Best food for aging skin. You will regret the day you did not use this method. Works in seconds. Last year, I avoided mirrors because my skin told a story I wasn't ready to face. Deep lines framed my mouth, dark spots covered my cheeks, and my face looked tired no matter how much I slept. Then a dermatologist friend shared what she ate daily, and within weeks people started asking if I'd had work done. Your skin cells replace themselves every 28 days, but they need specific nutrients to build healthy new tissue. The Journal of Dermatological Science published research showing that what you eat affects skin structure within hours of digestion. Today, I'm revealing the foods that transformed my face and why eating them at certain times accelerates results. Wild-caught salmon contains astaxanthin, a carotenoid that gives the fish its pink color. Studies in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found this compound protects skin cells from oxidative damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. Your body absorbs astaxanthin better when eaten with healthy fats, which salmon naturally provides. I started eating a palm-sized portion 3 times weekly and noticed my skin looked less red and inflamed within 10 days. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon also support the lipid barrier that keeps moisture locked in your skin. Blueberries pack more antioxidants per serving than almost any other food according to research published in Advances in Nutrition. These compounds neutralize free radicals that break down collagen and elastin fibers in your dermis. 1 cup of fresh blueberries daily provides anthocyanins that improve microcirculation to your skin's surface. I add them to breakfast every morning and my complexion looks brighter and more even-toned. The vitamin C content supports collagen synthesis, the protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. Bone broth provides collagen peptides your body can actually absorb and use. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry analyzed how gelatin from bone broth breaks down into amino acids during digestion. These building blocks travel through your bloodstream to skin cells where they support new collagen formation. I drink 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily, either plain or as a base for soup. After 3 weeks, the fine lines around my eyes appeared softer and my skin felt more supple. Avocados deliver healthy monounsaturated fats plus vitamin E, both essential for skin health. Research in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology shows vitamin E protects cell membranes from damage while fats help your skin maintain its moisture barrier. Eating half an avocado daily improved my skin's texture noticeably within 2 weeks. The biotin content also supports healthy skin cell turnover, replacing damaged surface cells with fresh ones faster. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc, a mineral critical for wound healing and skin repair. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition documented that zinc deficiency leads to slower cell regeneration and increased inflammation. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds daily provides about 20% of your daily zinc needs. I sprinkle them on salads and notice my skin heals faster from any scratches or blemishes. Zinc also helps regulate oil production, which keeps pores clearer. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao offers flavonoids that improve blood flow to your skin. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who ate high flavonoid chocolate daily showed improved skin hydration and thickness after 12 weeks. I have 1 small square after lunch and find it satisfies sweet cravings while supporting skin health. The key is choosing quality chocolate without excessive sugar, which can actually damage skin through glycation. Bell peppers contain more vitamin C per serving than oranges according to USDA nutritional data. This vitamin is essential for collagen production and acts as a powerful antioxidant protecting against sun damage. 1 medium red bell pepper provides over 150% of daily vitamin C requirements. I slice them raw for snacks or lightly sauteed them for dinner. Cooking slightly reduces vitamin C content but makes other beneficial compounds more bioavailable. Timing your nutrient intake matters more than most people realize. Eating protein-rich foods like salmon or bone broth earlier in the day gives your body amino acids when cellular repair is most active. Vitamin-rich foods work best consumed throughout the day since your body can't store this water-soluble vitamin. I eat berries at breakfast, peppers at lunch, and salmon at dinner to spread nutrients across all meals.